going to finish with the chapter, and we are last topic, formatting the axis. Last lecture we had done the formatting of the plot area and formatting the titles and data series. Now we will do the formatting of axis. Okay. This is the chart that we are using. Kindly keep yourself mute. Okay, I will right click on the chart, or you can have the right click on the axis and choose format axis. Okay, or you can have format chart area. Now you can click on the axis. It will give you the task pane for the format axis. These are the axis option. You can click on the fill. You can click on the line. You can have both. If you have fill, solid fill, that is the single line. You can give the color, choose the color that you want. This is for axis. नीचे देखो axis, x axis की change हो गया. Fill color change हुआ है. I can have the line color, solid line. I can have the line color. It will give you the line. And you can have the line width. See, the line width. जो axis आपका blue color में आ रहा है, that is it visible? Blue color में आपको axis visible हो रहा है? I think now it is visible to all. Is it visible to all now? Now this is the blue color axis and this was the fill color which I had used earlier. This is the color that I can use as a fill color for x-axis. Similarly, I can have the other axis, y-axis, that can also be changed. If I click on the y-axis, I will have the options for y-axis. Now y-axis has been selected. Now if I give the solid fill, I can have the color. Okay, this is chart area selected over. Okay, now axis is selected. I can have the fill color like this, and I can have the line color also. Suppose red ले लेते हैं, will be more visible. Now you can see the width of the axis. Okay, you can have the 3D options. You can have the text options for doing the filling the text boxes, etc. Okay, you can have the solid fills, gradient fills, like this. Color. Now solid fill, text outline. We had already given text outline as red. Okay, so these are the various options. This was the last topic that we were supposed to do, how to do the formatting of the chart. We had already done the formatting in the plot area. If you click on plot area, it will display the plot area options, formatting for the plot area. If you click on the chart area, it will display the chart area options. If you click on chart title, it will give you the options for the chart title. You can have the solid line or gradient line or fill colors, solid fill. I can change the color of my chart title. Here, I can have the gradient lines you can have. I can have the line color. I can increase the width of the line, format the chart area. Okay. Is it clear to all of you? Anything, any topic that is not clear in this chapter, you can ask me now, because after that, I'm going to start with the exercise. Is it clear to all of you? You can raise your hand if you have any query. Okay, yes, Khushi?
मैम स्टॉक चार्ट एक बार दोबारा से समझा दो।
Stock chart?
मैम स्टॉक चार्ट
हाँ जी बेटा, that is just one type of chart that you can use, ठीक है, to represent the data, and usually it is used in the stock market. ठीक है, professional chart है that you can use. Like here, I'm clicking here, you can have the stock chart like this. It will appear like this. आप इस तरह से कुछ appear होगा. आप you can have the data. For that purpose, you will have the data according to that, like opening price, high price, low price, closing price. It is generally related to the stock market. Here it is not applicable because this data doesn't match with the chart type category. Okay. Okay, Khushi. Okay. Now I'm going to start with the exercise. Everyone take out your books, open your exercise. Yes, Trishti, you want to ask something or you want to give answer?
मैम बुक में मूविंग का चार्ट भी दिया हुआ है.
क्या दिया हुआ है?
मूविंग का चार्ट.
Moving a chart that I told you in the previous class when I moved the chart to the separate sheet. See, I'm going to share it again. I'm going to share my screen again. It was here. I can select the chart, this chart, and I can move it to another sheet. You can click on the chart, go to the format tab, design tab, last option, move chart. Click here. Here it is saying whether you want to move the chart in a new sheet as a chart 3 or as an object in another sheet, sheet 1, sheet 2, or sheet another sheet. Okay, so I'm clicking on new sheet, so it will create a new sheet with a chart only like this. A new sheet has been created which is having only chart. This option we had done here in the previous class, right? This is to move the chart from one sheet to another. Suppose I'm having one more sheet here, and now I click on this. I go to the chart. I had already moved it. I can click here, design tab, move chart as an object in. Now I can click on sheet 2. Click OK. So it will go to the sheet 2 also. You can move the chart from one sheet to another, or you can have the chart, separate sheet for the chart. Data on sheet and chart on separate. Okay? Okay.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Vita. Okay, now come to the exercise. Your first exercise is tick the correct one. Which function key is used to insert a chart? Which function key will you use?
F11.
F11, very good, correct, F11. Which type of chart displays the data in the form of grid net?
Radar.
Radar. Okay, Angaddeep. Next question. A unique color that identifies a data series is called?
Legend.
Legend, very good. Okay. Next, another students, the points that are plotted in the chart are called? Yes, Jasleen?
Data point.
Data points.
Data
The points in the chart, plotted in the chart are called data points. Please mark answers with pencil in your book. Okay, others. Next question is, fill in the blanks. Dash represents data graphically. Guneet.
Charts. Charts.
Charts. Charts represent data graphically. And then chart tools has tabs. Chart tools, when we click on the chart, there are two tabs that appear under the chart tools heading. What are the two tabs?
Format tab and
design.
Format tab and Design tab. Right. Design tab and Format tab. Okay. Next one is dash chart display data in the form of circle.
pie.
Pie chart. Pie chart. Okay. Next question. Dash chart display data in the form of rectangular bars.
Bar.
Bar chart. Okay. Raise your hands. Rivya, Hargun, Harman, other students, Samriddhi, Manraj, Satvik. All of you should give answer. Raise your hand so that I can unmute you to give answer. Mithul, Naman, Tanya. The total region of the chart is called a
Chart
dash.
area.
That is called
Area.
a chart area. Correct. Had you filled the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall I move to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Rudra,
Yes.
Rehanika, kindly raise your hand and unmute yourself to give answer. Okay, Harman. She. And
Yes, ma'am.
now next question beta participate करना है class में आपने भी. Next, this is true false. Y-axis is the horizontal axis.
False.
False.
False. False. Okay, next question is we cannot modify a chart.
False. False.
False.
Now I am coming to the.
Okay, next question. A pie chart displays a data in the form of a circle. True.
True.
False.
But a pie
True.
chart display data in the form of circle. True.
True.
Okay, next one. We can easily change data series in a chart. Hargun. Jalashri.
True.
True. We can easily change the data series in a chart. It is true.
True.
Okay. Next one. Define the following components of chart. Let's see who can define now. First component is chart area. What is chart area? Only one student will give answer. Only one student will give answer. Jasleen.
Chart area is the total region wherein chart is inserted.
Chart area is the total area in which chart is inserted. That means in which all the objects of the chart are included. Chart area is the total region in which all the objects of the chart are included. So, what is chart area? The total region of the chart that includes all the objects of the chart. Okay? Okay, next one.
Can I tell?
Okay, Jalash. Okay, Jalash. You will say the next one. Next is legends.
Then they help us to identify various plotted data series.
Okay, that help us to identify the various data series. How? By assigning a unique color. Legends are used to identify the various data series. As each data series is given a unique color, so legends help us to identify the various data series. Next one. Data
Ma'am, can I
series.
tell?
What do you mean by data series? Okay, Drishti.
Data series are bars or slices that represent data values in a chart.
Correct. Data series are the bars or the value slices or the bars that represent data values in the chart. What are the various values? Okay, next one. Hargun. Hargun Preet. Unmute yourself. Chart
Yes, ma'am.
title. Chart title.
The title which is given to a chart is called chart title.
Correct. The title which is given to the chart is called chart title. Okay, last one. Khushi. Plot area.
The area of chart in which chart is plotted.
Correct. The area within the x-axis and y-axis in which chart is plotted, the values are plotted, that is called plot area. The area of the chart in which data is plotted within that area which is within the x and y axis. Okay. Hanji, everybody clear at these options? These definitions are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one, question answers. First question, what is chart? Very easy.
A chart is a graphical representation of data in which the data is represented by symbols.
Okay, that is a graphical representation of data. Okay, a chart is a graphical representation of data. Okay, next is, what are the various components of the chart?
Chart area,
Yes.
Chart
area,
area,
Anmol Singh. Anmol Singh.
leg.
What are the various components of the chart?
Ma'am, chart area, plot area, legends, category axis, data title, data points, value axis, data labels, axis title, data set.
Okay, correct. Components of chart are chart area, plot area, legends, category axis, value axis, data labels, data series, chart, and axis title. Okay. Okay, next one. How will you insert a chart in a worksheet? Here you are supposed to give me the command for inserting a chart. How will you insert a chart? What are the steps to insert a chart? Okay, next, Rivya. What are the steps to insert a chart? How will you insert chart? Rivya? Okay, Guneet, can you answer?
मैम आपने मुझे म्यूट कर अनम्यूट कर दिया.
Okay, give answer, Garvit. Okay, anybody else? Yes, Argun? How will you insert chart?
Click the insert tab.
Correct, very good.
Select the range to be displayed in the chart.
Select the
Range to be
range.
displayed in the
Range
chart.
बेटा पहले select करते हैं, then we click on the insert tab. ठीक है? Insert tab में कौन सा group? Which group will you use?
Charts group.
Charts group. Very good. You will click on the insert tab, then you click on the charts group. In the charts group, you will click on
Chart type drop down arrow.
very good. Chart type drop down arrow. Correct. Then choose any chart. Choose any option. Okay, any option of the chart. Insert tab, charts group, chart type drop down arrow, and then choose any option. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next question is, what is the difference between column chart and bar chart? Okay, Arshia. What is the difference between column chart and bar chart? Only one difference is there, column chart and bar chart.
Column chart, a column chart is a type of chart which shows the data in comparison among items.
That is
And,
both. That is in both the charts. Both में दोनों charts में comparison होता है. Okay, खुशी. Okay. बोलो बोलो अर्शिया बोलो.
We can show various series in this, but in the column chart, but in bar chart, only one of the series can be compared.
No, one series is in pie chart. In both the charts looks similar. Both the charts have the same purpose. Only one difference is there. Okay, now Angad. Yes, Angad.
Ma'am,
Yes.
it is horizontal and column chart. Bar chart, it is rectangular bars.
No. Okay, Kushi.
In bar chart, categories are defined vertically and values are defined horizontally.
Yes.
And in column chart, categories are organized horizontally and values are organized vertically.
करेक्ट बोथ द चार्ट्स लुक सिमिलर सिर्फ एक ही डिफरेंस है कॉलम चार्ट में आपके चार्ट्स जो हैं वो वर्टिकल हैं बार्स वर्टिकल हैं एंड बार चार्ट में आपकी बार्स हॉरिजॉन्टल हैं दैट मींस कैटेगरीज आर ऑन एक्स एक्सिस एंड वैल्यूज आर ऑन वाई एक्सिस एंड इन बार चार्ट कैटेगरीज आर ऑन वाई एक्सिस एंड वैल्यूज आर ऑन एक्स एक्सिस जस्ट दैट इज द डिफरेंस ठीक है ओनली वन डिफरेंस इज that in column chart, categories are defined horizontally on the x-axis and values are defined vertically. And in bar chart, values are defined horizontally and categories are defined vertically. Only that much is the difference. Okay? Clearer now? Okay. Next question is, what is the difference between chart area and plot area? Yes, Lakshay. What is the difference between chart area and plot area? Okay. Jasleen, what is the
The
difference?
chart area is the total region of the chart in which the chart is defined is called the chart area, and the plot area is the area of the chart in which your data is plotted.
Correct. Chart area is the total area in which all the objects are included, and plot area is just the area on which the data values are plotted. Okay. Plot area is within the chart area. Chart area के अंदर है. Chart area is within the plot area on which the data is plotted. And chart area is the total region of the chart that includes all the objects of chart. Okay. Is it clear to all of you? Is the answer is clear? Okay, next one. I think this is the last one. Name the two tabs present in the chart tools. Two tabs. This we had done in the fill in the blanks also. Yes, Angad?
Design format.
Correct. Design tab and format tab. Two tabs of the chart tools. Design tab, format tab. Okay, two application based questions are also there. Okay, two application based questions are also there. Neha has created a chart. She wants to improve the appearance of a chart by formatting the plot area. Which option will you suggest her to perform this task? कौन सी option use करेंगे? Which option will you use? Yes, Sanchit? Correct, Arshia. You had given the correct answer. Yes, Sanchit. What will be the answer?
मैम मुझे डाउट था.
Okay, you have a doubt. Okay, we can take the doubt also. Just give me the answer first. Okay, Jasleen also had given the correct answer. Yes, Jasleen, say the answer.
Format plot area option.
Format plot area. Correct. Format plot area. Okay, next one. Megha is a student of class 7. She wants to prepare a chart on her monthly expenses of different items. Suggest her to best suited type of chart for her project. What type of chart will you use to represent your monthly expenses? Which type of chart will be more suitable? Yes?
Stock chart.
Which chart?
Stock chart.
Stock chart. No. I just told you stock chart is for It could be pie chart,
Bubble chart.
but the pie chart will have the categories of various expenses in a single month. But if you want to compare your monthly expenses of different months, then it could be line chart or column chart. Column chart, bar chart, both are same, horizontally or vertical का difference है सिर्फ, or you can have the line chart. Most suitable वैसे column chart will be most suitable to compare the, जैसे हमने अभी score का comparison करा है, वैसे ही by using the column chart, वैसे ही हम column chart use कर सकते हैं to compare the expenses of different months with the different categories on stationery, on eatables. Okay, so these kind of categories you can make, and you can have the comparison of your expenses, monthly expenses in the different months. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Hanji, Sanchit, what is your doubt now? Sanchit, raise your hand. And all of you can lower your hands. If you have any doubt, only then raise the hand. Okay. Yes, Arman, what's your doubt? Sanchit, yes,
Ma'am, nothing.
nothing. Okay. All the answers are clear? All the answers are clear? Yes, Lakshay? Okay. First,
मैम थर्ड दोबारा से बता दो.
which answer?
And third.
Third. This is the first. Then this is the second. How will you insert chart? You will give the command. What is the difference? Categories are defined horizontally and values are defined vertically in column chart. And in bar chart, categories are defined vertically and values are defined horizontally. Yes, Samriddhi?
Based questions हैं वो हमने फेयर पर लिखने हैं.
Yes, beta, these question answers you will do in the fair copy and you will submit your fair copy by tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
You will submit your fair copies by tomorrow and don't be late because this is your last assignment, last chapter of the term, and your marks will be assigned after this. And if you submit your copy late, no marks will be given. If you submit your copy, if you do not submit your copy on time, no marks will be given. So kindly submit your copy on time, everyone. Do these question answers. I think just 5 question answers are there. Okay, 5 question answers and 5 definitions. Define the following components of chart. No application based questions nahi karne hain. Only 5 question answers and 5 define the following components of the chart. 5 definitions. 5 definitions and 5 question answers you will do in fair copy and submit the copy by tomorrow. Okay, PDF file by tomorrow. कल तक सबकी फाइल आ जानी चाहिए. 3 chapters are done. सब check कर लो. आपके तीनों chapters checked है. If it is not checked, I'm going to put the list of defaulters. Okay. Anji, any other query? Okay, that's all for today's class.